Hello friends, welcome to Solution Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram, link is given in the description. So the guys, in this video we will see more than 10 Udemy courses which are paid one, but you get at free of cost. I will provide you coupon codes and course link. That coupon course and course link will be uploaded on our website, and the link of our website is given into the description. So the guys, let's get started. The first course is Web Development Masterclass Complete Certificate course. Learn to set up virtual cloud servers and develop database-driven website using the latest web technology. The rating of that course is 4.4. Already 3,80,000 students enrolled for that course. Only 14 hours left at this price, and this course is completely free. And the coupon code of this course is UXL81471. The next course is Learn HTML5 Programming from Beginner to Pro, the easiest way to learn web design HTML step by steps from scratch. Real world example with HTML. This course is also free. The rating of that course is 3.8 and already 33,000 students enrolled for that course. And this course includes 2.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and then you get certification of that course. In this course, you will be learn basics of HTML, displaying images, understanding file paths, advanced HTML5, and setting up environment. Next course is 2021 Business Analytics with Python A to Z version 8.1. Become complete in solving business problem by acquiring the skills in Python. The rating of that course is 4.2 and already 32,170 students enrolled for that course. This course is also completely free. Only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 21.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and then you get certificate of that course. And the coupon code of that course is business 24. In this course, you will learn the fundamental of Python programming, gain an understanding of building and deploying machine learning web app, acquire knowledge in solving linear problem in production management. The next course is Build a Search Engine with Python, Computer Science and Python. The rating of that course is 4.0. Already 64,000 students enrolled for that course. In this course, you will learn the program in Python professionally, build your own web crawler using Python 3, be able to build your own Python programs, learn to code in Python 3, build a search engine index with Python 3. And this course includes 5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. And the coupon code of that course is free e-learning. The next course is Internet and Web Development Fundamentals. Learn how the internet works and set up a testing and production web server. The rating of that course is 4.3 and already 1 lakh students enrolled for that course. In this course, you will learn how the internet works, the web development process, name server configuration, internet protocol, planning a web application, domain name registration and administration. Only 14 hours left at this price, and this course is completely free. And this course includes 4 hours on demand video, 1 downloadable sources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and then you get certificate of that course. So the guys, the remaining courses is uploaded on our website. The link of website is given into description. Please check the link and apply enroll for all the courses as soon as possible, because the courses may be expiry within 1 or 2 days. So enroll for that all courses as early as possible. Thank you.